Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for e-business week 3rd, assignment 3rd. So the first question is, a company wants to give personalized dashboards to different employee groups, each showing tolerate access to internal systems and external news feeds. Which digital interface best fits this requirement? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says an enterprise informational portal is a web-based interface and integration of MIS, DSS, EIS and other technologies that give all internet users and selected extranet users access to a variety of internal and external business applications and services. So the answer for our first question is A, enterprise portal. And now let's go to our question number 2. A corporate website lists investor relations, careers, media release, and product summaries. Which of the following is a feature unique to corporate websites compared to enterprise portals? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says corporate website is an informational website that acts as the company's interface to the public. So the answer for our second question is B, provide company-wide public information to external stakeholders. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which metric reflects the sequence of pages viewed by a visitor, enabling understanding of user navigation pattern? So these are the options: visits, sessions, page views, click paths, hit. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says view metrics, click paths. So the answer for our third question is C, click path. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which activity in the traditional purchasing process most closely corresponds to specification development and EPI slash ESI activities? So these are the options: supplier evaluation, contract agreement, define requirement, select supplier. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says define requirement, specification development, EPI slash ESI, cross functional teams. So the answer for our fourth question is C, define requirement. And now let's go to our question number 5. Spend analysis helps negotiate better prices. This reflects which underlying principle? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says spend analysis, reducing suppliers and increasing volume to a small number of preferred supplier might allow for better price negotiations. So the answer for our fifth question is C, increasing volume to a small number of preferred suppliers. And now let's go to our question number 6. A company uses both text similarity and machine learning to normalize supplier names across departments. This capability falls under which requirement of spend analysis? So these are the options: data warehousing, data cleansing, scrubbing, analytics, transaction processing. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says data cleansing, scrubbing, towards aggregating data from across the organization, manual or semi-automatic, text similarity, machine learning. So the answer for our sixth question is B, data cleansing, scrubbing. And now let's go to our question number 7. A buyer wants suppliers to propose bundles bids for multiple items while also allowing item-wise bids. Which auction format supports this? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says combinatorial auction allows suppliers to mix bundled bids along with unbundled bids. So the answer for our seventh question is C, combinatorial auction. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which e-procurement risk arises when suppliers hesitate to invest in technology without assurance of returns? So these are the options: technology risk, internal business risk, external business risk, process risk. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says external business risk. Cooperation of the suppliers, investment in technology is also required by them. No guarantee on the return on investment. So the answer of our eighth question is C, external business risk. And now let's go to our question number 9. CRM's aim of giving every customer a unified, consistent view of the company across all channels is best achieved through. So these are the options: collaborative CRM, operational CRM, portal based CRM, analytical CRM. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says trends operational CRM synchronizes customer interactions consistently across all channels. So the answer of our ninth question is B. Operational CRM. And now let's go to our question number 10. A bank applies advanced analytics to identify customers likely to respond to a new investment plan. This activity is part of, so these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says analytical CRM extracts in-depth customer history, preference, and profitability information from data warehouse and other databases, allows to analyze, predict, and derive customer value and behavior and forecast demand. So the answer of our 10th question is C. Analytical CRM. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing. You have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.